So first of all, I would like to show some of the profiles who are renowned, not only India, globally renowned managers as well as leaders in the corporate, in the political aspect, and also business field purely, and social service people, those who have been continuously giving the services to the society. Can you operate now? Can you share that?
Sir, it is already shared.
Okay. Profiles of successful managers and leaders. Interchangeably, we are using manager and leader. Manager is different when it comes to the clear-cut explanation, and leader is different. All managers are made, but some of the leaders are born. Some of the leaders are made. That is a basic difference between leader and manager. So first of all, we will see some of the important profiles of the leaders, which is most important. Just a minute. This I will switch off this. So Sundar Pichai, we are calling Pichai Sundar. Some of the people, he is a most popular manager and leader. As an entrepreneur also, we can tell is a successful person in the competitive corporate world. Just below 40 years, he has become a CEO of Google. He has been serving to the Google as a CEO. Not only as a CEO, he is also doing the services to the society, which he has been recognized as an entrepreneur. So he has studied basically class 12th in the IIT campus, Vanavani School, BTech IIT Kharagpur, MS Stanford University, MBA Wharton University. And do you know how much salary he has been getting for the past 1 year? This is excluding 2,000 crores and above, excluding other benefits. And his salary is 1,450 crores, 1,450 crores as per the statistics available in the Google, where if you type in the Google also it will come. Per day his salary is more or less 5 crores. He has studied MBA, and with the MBA knowledge, he has been continuously identifying the various ideas and techniques which are necessary to implement in the organization. That is one of the important qualities of a successful manager in the corporate world. Next slide. HCL, Sivan Nadar. If you take the example of Sivan Nadar, is an Indian billionaire, industrialist, and a philanthropist. He is the founder and chairman of the HCL and Sivan Nadar Foundations. Not only he is a chairman of HCL, and he is also founder of Sivan Nadar University and Sivan Nadar Educational Institutes. And this group of institutions have been called as one of the famous engineering college, SSN, College of Engineering in Chennai. And he studied electronic engineering from PSG College of Technology. He is one of the world-renowned leader and manager and entrepreneur. He has been also providing social services to the society as a philanthropist, not only to run the business on commercial basis. Next slide. Satyam Nadella. All these three members, Sundar Pichai, Sivan Nadar, and Satyam, People are calling Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram like that. He is also one of the renowned leader in the competitive corporate world and a successful manager. Basically, he is from Telangana and primary school and education, Hyderabad Public School, BE, Manipal Institute of Technology, MS, University of Wisconsin, MBA, University of Chicago. He is CEO of Microsoft Corporation. He is one of the successful manager, particularly in introducing the new strategies and policies, programs which are necessary to implement in the organization as a manager. Next slide, please. Ratan Tata, life journey. India's jewel, Ratan Tata. He studied primary and Cathedral Mumbai School, Bishop Cotton School, Shimla. He has completed BArch, Cornell University, Advanced Management Program, Harvard Business School. Occupation, Chairman of Tata Group. Honors, Commander of the Legion of Honor, Government of France. Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan. He has been recognized one of the successful entrepreneur to provide the services to the society, not only on commercial basis. He has been giving different services to the society, poor and needy people also. He is always announcing various benefits to the employees and other people also, irrespective of region, religion, caste, creed. So he is also one of the successful entrepreneur in the competitive corporate world and manager. Next slide, please. We have discussed about corporate leaders and we are going to enter into the political field. We should not take negative aspect. We have to take some of the positive aspects of as a successful leader in the country. Not only in the country, he has been recognized as one of the successful prime minister during the last 5 years. Of course, some of the comments people are making for the past few months due to this COVID crisis. So he has studied higher secondary, Vadnagar, BA Politics, University of Delhi, MA Politics, Gujarat University, external distance learning. He has introduced as a manager and leader of the country so many policies and programs, just like we can observe Niti Aayog, Digital India, demonetization, Make in India, Stand Up India, Skill India, GST, Jan Dhan Yojana, Swachh Bharat, Abhiyan, Beti Bachao, Beti Pahado, and PM's Modi, Man Ki Baat with the Nation, May 2021, Smart Cities, Mission, etc. He has been continuously introducing the policies and programs for the benefit of the people and also economic development of the country as a whole, not only as a leader, as a manager. He has been managing all the policies and programs and implementing for the benefit of the public. Honors, visionary and top 10 powerful global leaders, Forbes 2017. And Order of the Abdulaziz Saudi Arabia 2016. So he has been receiving so many awards from time to time as one of the successful leaders in the global. Next person, can you show the next slide? Reliance. If you take the example of Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani, date and place of birth, 19th April 1957 is born, and school education, primary and secondary, high school Mumbai, BE Chemical Engineering, Institute of Chemical Technology, MBA from Stanford University, USA. With his MBA, he has been continuously introducing the new policies and programs which are necessary to implement for the benefit of the public, not only to run the business on commercial basis. During the 2000 and in between the 2005, Reliance Industry has introduced the mobile phone at the rate of 500 to 700 rupees. During that period, particularly many people, even ordinary people, those who are working as a daily labor, and they are also developing the awareness during that period to make use of the services, particularly to maintain the mobile phone with the cheapest packages and full talk time without having any restrictions. He has continuously been introducing the different type of benefits. He has created a boom period, particularly to make use of the mobile phone with free SIM cards, one or two, those who are capable to use. In telephone industry has been creating so many strategies and implementing for the benefit of the public. He has received so many awards: Gold Medal 2016 and Academy of Engineering 2016, Global Leadership Award 2010 and Business Leader 2010 and Ernest Young 2000. These awards have been continuously giving to the Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani on recognition of his activities and programs, policies which are necessary to implement, not only to run the business on commercial basis, to provide the services for the benefit of the public. Next person, next slide. Biocon Industries, Kiran Mudumdar Shah, date and place of birth, 23rd March 1953, Bangalore, Karnataka, schooling Bishop Cotton Girls High School, Bangalore, PUC, Mount Carmel, Bangalore, graduation, Bangalore University, master degree, Australia. She is a chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited, Asia's largest industry, net worth of US $2.2 billion, and Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Gold Medal, other awards she has been receiving from time to time on her achievements continuously in introducing the policies and programs which are necessary for the benefit of not only for the business, for the benefit of the public. Next slide. Dilip Shangvi is from Gujarat, primary and secondary education, Ajmera High School and Bhawanpur, Educational Society College, Kolkata, graduation BCom, University of Calcutta. Founder, Chairman, and founder of Sun Pharma Industries, pharmaceutical industries. And he has been also receiving Padma Shri, CNN IBN India of the Year in Business 2004, and he has been recognized as a 11th richest and 5th largest generics maker in the world, India's most valuable pharma industry, a good leader and seed acquirer in pharma industries. Particularly, he has been introducing the so many policies and programs and services to the society also. As a manager, as a leader, as a successful entrepreneur, he has been continuously doing his services. Next person, Duvuri Subbarao. He is from Andhra Pradesh, South India. Primary and secondary education, Sainik School, Porukonda, BSc Honors Physics, IIT Kharagpur, MSc Physics, MA Economics, PhD Economics, Andhra University. He is not only doctorate, he is one of the renowned civil servant. As an IAS officer, he has been continuously serving in various departments in different states, particularly to introduce so many policies and programs for the benefit of the government as well as the public. In addition to that, he has served as a Governor of Reserve Bank of India, which is very responsible and very respectable position, and he has been introducing so many policies as a Governor of Reserve Bank for the economic development of the country as a whole, not only as a civil servant, as a leader of the corporate world. He has been introducing so many programs and policies for the benefit of the public as well as the economic development of the country as a whole. Who moved my interest rate? He has also been writing some of the books. Who moved my interest rate and leading the Reserve Bank of India top 5 turbulent year 2016. He is not only as a civil servant but also renowned entrepreneur in the field of business for the benefit of the public and as well as economic development. Next, if you take the example of Kiran Bedi, Honorable former Governor of Puducherry. And can you remember any one of you, one title has been given to the Kiran Bedi when she was serving as a CEO or superintendent, whatever it is called designation, Tihar Jail. Iron Lady of India. BA Honors, English, Government College for Women, Amritsar. Masters in Politics, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Profession civil servant as a IPS officer. She is one of the powerful civil servant IPS officers, first woman IPS officer in India. Not only as a civil servant, but also she has been recognizing as a social activist, tennis player, writer, politician, former governor of Pondicherry. So many awards she has been receiving from time to time. Raman Magsaysay Award, 1994, and first Indian police advisor to the Secretary General of the UN 2003. And other awards also she has been receiving from time to time based on the services provided to the government as well as the public as a civil servant and also politician and social activist. Next slide, please. If you take the example of Arvind Kejriwal, he has been recognized as one of the youngest Chief Minister of National Capital, New Delhi. He has studied BIT Kanpur as a civil servant, IRS, service, social activist, and politician. Even though 2014 BJP government has formed government in national capital, so many ministers and so many MPs, they have been continuously working out to form the government in the national capital by BJP government. He has strongly contested with confidence. He has achieved as a CM to form the government more than two times in national capital. Even the ruling party was there entire in the country. I can say that he is the strongest politician, not only as a civil servant. He has been receiving so many awards based on his entrepreneurial skills or management skills as a manager to manage the public and also to provide the services to the public and also economic development of the particular state. He has been also introducing so many policies and programs. Here he is founder of Aam Aadmi Party. As a politician, he has started this work. Next, if you come to the example of next person, Chukka Ramaya. He is also South Indian person. Ramaya he has been called as IIT Ramaya. Educator, activist, legislator. 20th November 1925, Gudur village, Warangal district, Telangana. Primary and secondary education, village school, graduation and MSc, Osmania and Mysore University. Profession, principal, AP Residential School, Nagarjuna Sagar. Founder, Society for Promotion of Academic Excellence in Schools. Spouse is Lakshmi Bai. And he has been also writing the books Chinapatam, Desha Deshalo, Vidya, etc. for the benefit of the students as well as faculty members and for the public. He has been writing the books and also he has been providing the educational services to the society as a successful manager and entrepreneur, as a leader. Next person, please. If you take the example of Sudha Murthy, she studied BE and BBA College of Engineering Technology, Karnataka, ME Computer Science, Indian Institute of Bangalore. Occupation, Chairman of Infosys Foundation, social activist, writer. Spouse, N.R. Narayana Murthy. Honors and awards. Sri Raja Lakshmi Award 2004, Padma Shri 2006, R.K. Narayan Award for Literature 2006, Basava Shri 2013. So many policies and programs have been introducing for the benefit of the public. She has been serving to the poor and needy people, particularly as a social activist, not only to run the business as a chairperson of Infosys Foundation. Whenever people are approaching poor people during the crisis, she has been completely providing services and she is announcing so many benefits, not only for the employees, for the particular poor and needy people, which is not possible by the particular state government or central government. She has been also doing services to the public. She has been also writing books. The day one stopped drinking milk, wise and otherwise, old man, and he's got the magic drum, other favorite stories, etc. She has been cultivating reading and writing habit, and she has written so many books. Next, if you take the example of not only civil servants, corporate leaders to run the business, and IAS officers, whoever involved in the political services and other business units, but also we need to discuss other aspects, social services and Ayurvedic medicine or whatever they are doing, yoga and other things. We are going to enter this field to discuss about the qualities of managers. After completion of these presentations also, we will discuss real qualities which are necessary to develop as a management student, as a faculty, as a social service person, if you are entering to do the social service, as a politician, whatever field you are going to enter after completion of your MBA degree, we can discuss based on these profiles after completion of these profile presentations. Ram Krishnadev Yadav, Baba Ramdev. He is born and brought up Haryana. Formal education, Acharya Baldev Gurukula. So founder of Divya Yog Mandir Trust, 1995, Asta TV 2003, Patanjali Trust, Patanjali Ayurvedic, and Bharat Swabhiman Trust. He has been giving services to the public, and he has been introducing so many Ayurvedic products for the well-being of the employees to develop the awareness about health, which is most important. So some slogan is there, somebody famous personality who is the first and very important person, or if you talk about life partner, who is your life partner? If you somebody is asking, and some people, many people, they are talking nowadays in the WhatsApp also, your life partner is your health or your body. We have to say like that. These slogans have been given by some of the eminent personalities. So like that, he has been introducing so many products to develop the health. Health is most important. And honors awards, India brand ambassador for yoga and Ayurveda, ranked 5th as a most powerful people in India today, 2017. 27th ranked as a most creative business people. So many awards he has been receiving from time to time based on his services to the society and for well-being of the public. He has also been writing books, Secret of Pranayama, with scientific factual evidence, yoga, its philosophy and practice, etc. So many books he has been also writing, and he has been cultivating reading and writing habit, not only as a business person who has been providing the services for the benefit of the public as an entrepreneur. Next person, Isha Foundations. If you take the example of Sadhguru Jag Vasudev, alma mater, primary and secondary school, demonstration school, Mysore, graduation, University of Mysore, founder of Isha Foundation, non-profit and non-religious organization. Padma Vibhushan, Indira Gandhi, Paryavaran Puraskar Award. He has been continuously getting receiving awards, and he has been also developing the reading habit, and he has been continuously writing the books Inner Engineering Aditya, Yogi, and Source of Yoga, etc. He has been writing the books, and he has been introducing so many policies and programs in his area for the benefit of the public. Next person. Next slide, please. Ajim Premji Foundation, Primary and Secondary School, St. Mary's School, Mumbai, graduation BSc, Stanford University, founder chairman of Wipro Limited. Honors and awards, Padma Bhushan, CNN, IBM India of the Year Outstanding Achievement Award. So recognition, Caesar of the Indian IT industry. So he has also created a boom in IT industry during the particular period, which is essential to develop the technology. And also he has given opportunity, employment opportunity, so many people, youngsters. So for that point of view, he has started the business not only for the profit basis, and he has been also providing the services to the public, one of the successful manager and entrepreneur. Next person. Infosys, Nagavara Ramarao Narayanamurthy. He is a founder of Infosys, Primary and Secondary School, Vilasa Boys High School, Mysore, Bachelor of Electrical Engineering, University of Mysore, MTech, Electrical Engineering, IIT Kanpur, not Kharagpur. Padma Vibhushan, Legion of Honor, and Padma Shri awards he has been continuously receiving. He is a very powerful and renowned entrepreneur in the field of IT, information technology industry, who has been continuously identifying the new strategies and systems which are necessary to implement in IT industry for the benefit of the public as well as the economic development of the country as a whole. Next, Priya Paul, chairman of Park Hotels. She has been also recognizing as one of the renowned entrepreneur and leader, successful manager in the corporate world. Padma Bhushan, Economic Times Awards, she has been receiving the awards, and she has introduced so many policies and programs, particularly in hotel industry, as a successful manager. Next, last slide. PepsiCo, Indra Nui, former chairperson and chief executive officer of CEO of PepsiCo, currently board member of Amazon. Education is University of Mysore, MBA Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta, and MS Yale University. She is a very powerful and successful entrepreneur and manager in the corporate world, particularly to introduce so many policies and programs for the benefit of the organization as well as the public. These are the brief profiles of successful managers and entrepreneurs and leaders. Next, I am going to discuss about a real topic. With these examples, I will take these profiles at the time of discussing or explaining the qualities of successful managers. Now, qualities of successful manager. You can close it, madam, or somebody. Now, we are going to discuss about successful managers and the qualities of successful managers. We can take the example of these people, whatever we have discussed so far. A successful manager is very important person and also entrepreneur and a leader, particularly to identify the new strategies, policies and programs. For that, we need to develop some of the qualities to become a successful managers. First, number one is accessibility. When I started to introduce so many online programs in Central University of Tamil Nadu. We have been continuously observing so many online programs before starting that also, and online seminars and conferences. By observing, we have also started, we have been getting success. Success, if you pronounce SUCCESS. If you delete one C, you can pronounce the success. If you delete one S also, you can pronounce. If you delete the U, SU, you cannot pronounce the success. So without you, there is no success. People have to think wherever you are working, which is most important. Which is most important. So accessibility is very essential and important quality of a successful manager. Manager should be accessible. Entrepreneur should be accessible. Leader should be accessible. Means approachability to all the employees, all the coordinators, all the colleagues, which are most important. One of the important quality of a successful manager is accessibility, means approachability to the leader. If you take the example of corporate leaders, N.R. Narayana Murthy or Azim Premji, if you take Satyam Nadandla or Sundar Pichai, we have taken so many examples. They are very approachable to their employees to discuss about the policies and programs before implementing, even though they have skills, knowledge, abilities, and talents. Accessibility is one of the important quality. Next is analytical mind. Analytical mind. As a management student, you are analyzing the case studies. From the beginning itself, first semester, you have been attending so many classes and lecture programs and case studies, role-playing techniques to analyze the each and every case study. What is going on in this business or in this industry or in this case? Everybody is understanding and analyzing the case studies. Everybody is participating different events. Analytical ability is most important. Ability to take and analyze the complicated issues. The analytical skills are most important as a successful manager to analyze the complicated issues to come to the solution, which is most important. Another quality of a manager is behavior model. So which is essential? Dynamic behavior, like example, if you take Institute of Management, Kerala, Professor Chandrasekhar as a dean. In my observation, he has been developing the dynamic behavior to introduce so many series of the online programs as well as other events for the benefit of the students, not only for the benefit of the students, but also other participants, faculty members, which are most important. So he has developed one of the important qualities as a behavioral model, which is most important as a successful manager in the corporate world. Next quality is cheerfulness, state of being happiness, positive mind. Positive mind is most important for a successful leader. For a successful leader, positive mind is which is essential for the manager. That is called cheerfulness. Next quality is commitment. Commitment with the dedication of the team members of IMT Dr. Ambish, Dr. Reddy, Mr. Mahesh, and student coordinator Rahul. All these persons have been continuously working on webinar series, and they are making arrangements as a successful managers. Dr. Ambish is one of the successful managers to manage the events. Dr. Reddy is one of the successful managers to manage the events. Rahul and Mahesh, they are also successful managers. I can say example by observation. Like that, quality of being dedicated towards the objective and responsibility towards the job, which is called commitment. Commitment is most important, and it is one of the important qualities of a successful manager in the corporate world. Next is confidence. Confidence means belief on the team members, confident towards the work, confidence towards the work, confidence towards the team members. Your leader of the Institute of Management, he has developed a much confidence on the team members and confidence on the objective. So Professor Chandrasekhar has developed the commitment and confidence, developed the belief on team members as well as work which is to be done for the benefit of the students as well as the faculty members. Like that, Modi, if you take the example of Kiran Bedi, if you take the example of Kejriwal, if you take the example of Sundar Pichai, if you take the example of other members, profiles what you have taken, they have developed the quality of being dedicated towards the job and beliefs, values of the organization, beliefs on the team members, confidence on the teamwork. What they have been continuously developing as a successful managers in the competitive corporate world. These qualities, commitment and confidence, most important for a successful manager in the corporate world. Next is creativity. Any doubt? Somebody is going to ask? Are you following, my dear students and other participants? My dear students and other participants, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can also interact after completion of another 10 minutes may be taken. We can interact by asking and clarifying the questions on the presentation what I have given. So creativity, next quality is creativity. A management student should develop the creativity. Without having creativity, something identifying the new thing, new idea which is necessary to implement the organization or which is necessary to implement in the business, it is very difficult to get success. Creativity plays an important role for the success of any business. What I have been giving the examples, if you take the Reliance industry, he has created a new idea and introduced the new strategy, particularly to make available mobile phone at the rate of 500 to 750 rupees with 1 or 2 SIM cards, full talk time free, small packages. He has introduced the so many strategies. Even though he has been running the business on commercial basis, sometimes he has been doing the services and identifying the new things which is essential for the benefit of the society, which is related to creativity, one of the important qualities of a successful manager in the corporate world. What he has done, Reliance Industry. Communication, which is most powerful tool and basic and important quality of a manager, successful manager, communication. Language, whatever it is, maybe English or Hindi or Malayalam or Telugu or Tamil, whatever it is. Communication is most important when they are doing the business, when they are operating the activities. Exchange of information, transfer of information from one person to another person. When you are giving the instruction as a manager to your subordinates, your communication should be very clear. They should not be confused mind. They have to understand which is most important quality. Practically, you have to give the instructions to run the business, either profit organization or non-profit organization or social service or in the political field. You should give the clear-cut instructions as a manager or leader or entrepreneur for the success of the business or social service wherever you are involved. Next is competitiveness. Perform the strong desire to be a more successful based on the competency or competitiveness. There are 2 or 3 vacancies in the university or organization or private sector or public sector. Hundreds of applications, sometimes thousands of people are applying. If you have confidence, commitment, creativity, communication, definitely you can compete to get the particular job which you are going to face the interview. That is the most important quality, one of the qualities of a successful manager in the corporate world. One of the successful qualities of the manager. So next, if you take the example, another quality, disciplinarian. One of the important qualities is discipline. A manager should be a well-disciplined person, disciplinarian we have to call, who believes the rules and regulations, who believes the practice of firm discipline, which is most important. That is one of the important qualities. Discipline plays very, very important role. No substitution for hard work. Sincerity pays large dividends. These are the quotations given by the well-known persons. Honesty is the best policy. Like that, discipline is the secret of success. I have coined my proverb like that word, this word. So empathy, one of the important qualities of a successful manager is empathy. Ability to understand feelings of the others, what others are expecting, what others are doing, what type of motivation you have to give. You have to understand the feelings of the others for success of your business, for success of your job. It is one of the important qualities of a successful manager in the corporate world. Next is forethought, careful observation and consideration. When you are running the business, you have to observe the competitors. You have to observe the careful observation and consideration what others are doing and what is required. There are so many networks, different networks we are using, particularly to make use of the technology to conduct the online classes. We are using different type of mobile networks. Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, BSNL, Reliance. Different network platforms we are using and different platforms we are using Google Link, Zoom, WebEx, all these we have been using, and these companies, they are carefully observing the competitors and they are considering which is most attractive. It is one of the important qualities. Forethought is one of the important quality of a successful manager. Next one is goal-oriented person. Manager should be a goal-oriented person. Without having goal, it is very difficult to achieve whatever you want to get good job. So you have to set the goal or goals. Your objective or your goal is to study MBA in Kerala University. If you take the example, you have a confidence and you have set the goal soon after entering the MBA course or before entering the MBA course, you want to get good job, you want to do business or you want to do social service, like that you will set the goal, which is most important as a successful manager in the corporate world. Next, honest. Just now I told you honesty is the best policy. Sincere and truthfulness. Sincerity pays large dividends, like that I have given an example. One of the important qualities of a successful manager. Innovativeness. Already I told them about innovativeness, creativity and innovation. They are interrelated, but they are entirely different. Creativity is something is different to innovativeness. Many people are creative in a class, 40 members, they are creative, but they are not innovative. Only few people are innovative to identifying the new strategy, new business, new policy, whatever it is. So innovativeness means once it is identified and implemented in the organizational innovativeness. Creativeness means it is only identifying the business or the strategy or idea, which may not be implemented or may be implemented. Once it is implemented, it is called innovativeness. Next is integrity, one of the important qualities of a successful manager in the corporate world. Strong moral principles. Integrity among the people, integrity among the activities. Whatever you are doing as a leader, successful manager in the corporate world. And job satisfaction, which is most important. Job satisfaction is also most important, one of the important qualities of a successful manager towards your job. If you are not satisfying so many people, they are applying for another job. After 2 years or 1 year service is completed, if there is no cooperation among the people, there is no salary benefits and other conditions which you are not comfortable, so you are applying for other job, you are going to get success to get new job, to make use of your services or qualities, whatever you have. Next is knowledge. Skills required through experience. MBA students should develop the skills. Skills means smartness, knowledge, intelligence, liveliness, loyalty, and sincerity. What we have discussed so far, qualities of successful manager. Skills, SKILLS. Smartness. Smartness means it's not beautiful or handsome. It is the smartness in organizing the people and activities. Knowledge. Knowledge is required, which is most important. Intelligence. High-level intelligence is required to run the business, to manage the people as a manager. Loyalty. Loyalty towards your job. Loyalty towards your employer. Loyalty towards your activity. And sincerity. Sincerity pays large dividends. Skills means smartness, knowledge, intelligence, liveliness, loyalty, and sincerity, which is essential for the successful manager. Liveliness, outgoing and energetic, enthusiastic. That is called liveliness. It is a part of skills, like that I told. Motivator. Manager should be a good motivator. Motivation plays an important role. Motivation means stimulation or encouragement. People, you have to encourage the people. Your subordinates should be encouraged by you as a manager. So manager should encourage by his superior. Subordinates should be encouraged by the managers. You have to give instructions. By motivating the people, they can work well and you will be successful. to achieve the goals and objectives. If you are unable to motivate the people, it is difficult to get success. Then people are confusing by giving your instructions. If they are not able to understand, it is difficult. So motivation is most important to encourage the people and stimulate the people. And next one is open mind. Open mind is most important. You should develop the open mind, which is very much essential for the successful manager. Successful manager, which is essential. And a qualified person, manager should be a qualified person. Like what we have discussed, the qualifications and educational background of profiles of the manager, at least basic education, to understand the rules and regulations, to understand the people, views and ideas. And manager should develop one of the important quality of also sensitiveness. If you are not sensitive, try to develop the sensitiveness. Political leaders, they don't have sensitiveness. Many people are making comments. They are criticizing opposition parties. They don't care. Even we are observing parliament and assembly. They are using different type of languages. They are shouting on one to another. They are raising their rights. When they are discussing in the parliament assembly, they are using different language. So they are not sensitive. That's why they are taking very easy, even though many people are criticizing in the media. So as a student, as a manager in the business, to run the business, sensitiveness is most important to understand the views of your subordinates, your colleagues, your friends in the society. And one most important quality is technical skills. How your team members have been continuously identifying the expertiseness in organizing this webinar series, particularly today or every week, or so many webinar series, 12 lecture programs have been organized. This is 13th webinar series, like that it is mentioned. So with your technical skills means without experience, some of the MBA students directly after UG they have joined. But with their technical skills means ability to apply the specialized knowledge and expertiseness. Not only experience is not required to develop the expertiseness. Some of the students, management students, they have developed the expertiseness with their technical skills. They have been operating PowerPoint. They have been operating in designing the invitation. They have been operating network system, and they have been inviting the people with their technical skills, with their expertiseness, even though they don't have experience. Some of the people, experienced people, faculty members and the dean, they have been giving instructions with their experience and expertiseness, but without having expertiseness, students have been continuously organizing the activities, which is called as expertiseness without having any experience, previous experience.